Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are good. Today in this video we are going to learn sea animals. Now let's start. Clownfish, seal, seahorses, great white shark, true crabs, otters, cephalopod, orca, leafy sea dragon, manatees, walrus, zebra shark, humpback whale, cuttlefish, mollusca, manta rays, deep sea fish, sea cucumber, sea urchins, sponge. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.